I've been collecting and organizing paper scraps by color, so they're ready whenever I want to create. For today's collage, I'll choose a couple of colors, work only with what I have on hand, and see where the process takes me. No plan, no pressure, just a small daily practice to keep me consistent. Today's colors are gray blue, pink, and then I have this off colored beige matte cut up pieces that I'm going to see if I can work in there. I have gotten so much better at just picking pages and just starting to cut without too much thinking. It's one of the biggest benefits about having a daily consistent practice is that you're not really too worried about doing something wrong in air quotes. I had to push myself to make this collage because I am not a pink person, but I was like, all right, I'll work with the different colors and the different tones. And this is not my favorite collage. Let's just say that. I do have another video. The link is above. It is specifically on this collage. I critique it and I tell you what I like, what I don't like, and what I would change if I would recreate it. And the reason why I do collage critique videos is because one, it helps me in my own practice to kind of see how I've progressed. But two, it also shows me that I'm judging the collage. I'm not judging myself. So if I have a bad piece of artwork or collage, it's okay. I just want to make sure that I'm consistently producing something every day to keep my skills and learning going. One of the things that is kind of my style is I like straight edges. So you can see that I'm trying to mesh a curved edge with a straight edge with a torn edge, but I don't think I'll ever go away from having a white border or some sort of border to confine your eye within the piece. Now I'm deciding, okay, it needs something else. Let's see. And I pull out some of the aluminum foil circles that I've made when I'm sharpening my paper cutters. I'm pretty much a minimalist, so I keep it really organized. And that's another reason why I started to use paper scraps is because I didn't know how to organize them. I kind of wanted to get away from having a bunch of scraps here and there. And so this was a solution for me. This was a pretty quick collage, and I noticed that I didn't use the strips of paper that I had cut out for a previous project, but maybe another time. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next video.